Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing a Renault Koleos HZG 2016 to 2023 door mirror. If you did find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and most importantly subscribe. Please watch the full video. It is rather easy to remove, however there is one section that you need to be extra careful when removing the mirror. When you open the door, we will need to remove the inner door mirror cover. Pull and then slide it forward to detach the cover from the door trim. It is held on by clips, white clips. It should be 3, and you want the clips to be on this piece when putting it back on, and then you slide it in like so, and then all you need to do is push it in. So this is at the end. Now we have access to our mirror plug, which you can access with a flathead metal screwdriver. You push and then pull off and it comes off quite easily. Next, with the 8mm, we will remove the 3 bolts that hold the mirror assembly in place. And the tricky part comes after the bolts are removed, as you need to slide the mirror upwards. This is because of this locator. This one slides upwards, and the next part you will need to do exactly how I show in the video, otherwise it's just going to cause a little complication for you. So whilst holding that trim with your right hand or left hand, lift the mirror up to detach the locator, and then you can pull out, and then you can also put it back in. The reason being is if you do not hold this and then you pull up too much and then pull onto that door trim, that little trim piece, it comes off and it's only held on by glue, so you're going to have to then glue it back on, which is pretty annoying. Other than that, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, most importantly subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.